What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Finally, it's been a couple days since I've recorded anything, guys. It's been raining, it's been real hot, it's been a lot of things going on. I've been going fishing, just bullshitting around with the homeboys. But today, guys, we're actually working on the Trailblazer. We're not doing much. We're adding some decals, and hopefully y'all like it. And if y'all do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, guys. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. There's a lot coming. But as y'all seen in the previous clip, guys, we were at Trokiando. The extended cab messed up. It needed a new racking pinion. I couldn't find it there, but we did get something there, guys. So y'all gotta stay tuned for this weekend's video. We're gonna be picking that up this weekend. It's a totally different look for the extended cab, so y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, guys, we had to replace the racking pinion on the extended cab. She's 100 already. Tomorrow we have an appointment for alignment, so she's gonna be back on the road 100%. She's drivable and everything now, but you know, we're just playing it safe. We have it parked. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna jump in right into the video. The video's not gonna be much. It's gonna be a little montage of the Trailblazer. Hopefully y'all like the new look. Don't forget, if y'all do, guys, enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out a lot. And like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. There's a lot coming. But let's jump to it. Let's get this going. Let's get this rolling. And drop y'all's comments. Don't forget to drop y'all's comments and what y'all think about what we're about to do to the Trailblazer. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we made it to my homeboy's house. We're out here just chilling, and the truck's still dirty from around the door handle, but it's just gonna be temporarily just for the cruise that's coming up. We're gonna be putting some U-Haul decals on the Trailblazer. What do y'all think? So what do you guys think? The wrap, the little stickers, the decals, whatever y'all want to call it, guys. What do y'all think? I think she looks pretty good. I don't like this side. Came out with a lot of little bubbles. I couldn't fix it, but I'm just gonna rock like that for a couple days, guys, and we're gonna go for another look. But drop y'all's comments. It's Sunday already, guys. Took me a couple days. Took me a couple days to actually do the other side. I've been chilling. Really. So we're gonna go to the meet right now, and we're gonna see what goes down. Maybe I record, maybe I don't. I'm not sure. But if y'all like this video, y'all enjoyed this look, give it a thumbs up, guys. 20, that's it.